Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today I'm going to test GROOM shampoo for white dogs with candy. I received the shampoo for white fur and the other one contained argan oil. I'm happy to be able to show you one of these products today. Candy's Breath is a coton de Tuliar with a white coat with characteristic spots on the ears and back. As a lighter coat dog, the skin is delicate, pink, and it really needs special products like this brand, GROOM. I love GROOM because it contains 97% natural ingredients, contains soy protein and natural cleansers derived from coconut oil, and prevent drying out hair. Made in the United States, free of parabens, dyes, and soap, and also cruelty-free. First, I let Candy sniff the product. Then I will place the amount that I think is necessary on the back, and I will begin to work. I always massage her back, avoiding touching her spine. Guys, I remind you that we have new videos every week. I have recipes for you every Wednesdays and Saturdays videos with my dog. Now I apply the shampoo on her legs, back and front. Now we are going to rinse with plenty of water. I'm doing up to 7 times to remove the product. I will add conditioner from the same brand, GROOM. It's great. I highly recommend it. And I apply it on the back and legs only. Now I will wet her head with a towel. This is an easy way for me. And then I put the shampoo on it. Please avoid contact with eyes. And remember to take advantage of making massage on your dog. Then I will rinse well and apply conditioner. While it acts, we will rinse back and finally the head. We dry as we usually do. I use a towel, never hair dryer, and I love to use the natural sunlight when it's semi-dry to brush her. And this is the final result. She's clean, smells so good, and her coat is silky. Remember to check the description box of this video to learn more about GROOM. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Follow me on my social media, and see you next time. Bye bye!